So what's really, really cool about Supreme is they take the same firebox and you can get it multiple ways. So this can be installed as a zero clearance unit purchased under the Astra line. You can add the pedestal to it and make it a freestanding stove. This has a beautiful large viewing glass. I love it. It's really hard to get a nice big viewing glass like this on a standard freestanding stove. So I definitely get a lot of demand for the biggest glass possible. Inside the box you do have different firebox options. So you can see that you can do the gray brick patterns, or they do also have a nice soapstone option. So soapstone is awesome to have in your firebox because it really helps to retain the heat and radiate the heat for much longer. Again, it is a flat bottom firebox, and you can see the top of the unit. This is the other Supreme freestanding wood stove. Again, this is going to be the Astra firebox that can be placed on a pedestal. So this unit's cool because the open pedestal does give you area for log storage, as you can see here. Different size models will have different size doors. So this is going to be the smallest model on the Astra line, but it does still have a nice big glass viewing area. Again, this is a convection style model with the louvers located at the top of the unit. So this is where your heat output will come in. You do have two different damper controls here, and they do have a nice air wash design on the front glass, so it burns nice and clean. Here we have the Astra model. This one is shown with the clean face. So when you do have the clean face, either a gravity kit or a hot air distribution kit is required, because you will notice there is no grills or louvers for the heat to distribute out of. Again, damper controls located at the top. Nice, clean face, large rectangular contemporary view. This is the Supreme Duet. We do have this installed in our showroom actually, so be sure to check out the videos on that model. Here we have the Supreme Fusion. This is going to be a masonry insert. It does have different faceplate stylings. This one is going to be shown in all black. Again, damper control located at the top of the unit. Show you inside the firebox. So this unit does have a stainless steel firebox. It's actually super cool because it does have the cooking grill option. Have a lot of demand for this. This is the Supreme Fusion insert. This model is going to be shown with the stainless steel surround. Really adds a lot to the fireplace, gives it a nice contemporary feel. Again, a nice large glass door. Inside the firebox on the Fusion models is going to be stainless steel. A nice cooking grill. The door is fully gasketed, and they do have a nice air wash on these models to keep the glass burning clean. Inside your firebox, this is going to be your flue collar that comes with the unit. This is the Astra Zero Clearance Fireplace by Supreme. I want to show you, this is going to be the louvered model. So you can see it does have grills above and below. Your damper control is going to be located on the top of the unit. Nice, clean face styling. The door is fully gasketed. Inside the unit you do have metallic brick panels. Stainless steel firebox top, and a flat firebox for the bottom.